Before swords clashed, before the cry of war, the desert whispered a warning. Children played. The city breathed in gentle rhythm, a rhythm about to break.
Brother, can you hear us? Water, please. No time. They're coming. Who? What happened? Brother, speak! What happened? An army marching for Medina.
An army? Here?
A rider from the north. What news? An army heading here. Not hundreds. Many tribes together. A full army. Heading to Medina? Yes. What now?
We send word to every house. We dig. We dig. I understand.
They are coming. The trench. At the Western Valley.
We'll be there.
Will they reach us?
Allah sees. We'll dig till we can't stand. This is where we stand. A trench. A trench for Medina.
Together till the last rock.
It's harder than it looked. Nothing worth doing is easy. Together. It can be done.
Step by step.
Keep the line moving. Pass the dirt forward.
Hold the line steady. We need food.
This is all we found.
Share it. Alhamdulillah.
I see dust on the horizon. Could be nothing, but let's watch. We keep going.
The trench won't be deep enough. It buys time. That is what we need. The trench won't stop them. It slows them. Even that helps. We're worn out already. We'll finish what we can. Allah sees the work. Someone's coming from the trench line. I bring news from the front.
Tell us. 10,000 march toward Medina. Then we do what he taught us. Allah is with us.
An army that size won't turn back. Then our trench must hold. We're already worn out. Walls and hands. Both must stand. Then we finish what we can and train for what comes. Every man who can stand must be ready. Train together, no one alone. If Allah wills, we will meet them prepared.
They're moving. Ya Allah. They're coming. I have to inform this. We have to start more preparation as soon as possible.
Make it tight. They'll need every grain.
I can't carry all of this.
You must try. They're waiting.
Tonight will be long.
Is this enough? Should I bring more?
Only what you can carry. Go, go.
The ones digging won't return full.
Then we'll fill what they lack.
Are we safe inside? Safe enough, if Allah wills.
Is that?
Dust doesn't move like that, unless it's many.
They're coming.
All of them.
They are very close. Hurry up! Concentration. Allah here. Allah is.
If they reach us tonight, we stand. We dug till the sun fell. That's enough for today. They won't cross this easily.
Whatever this trench is, it's slowing us. Tomorrow. We test it tomorrow. This place fights us already.
They're awake out there. I can feel it.
Find the trench they've dug.
And if they guard it?
They will. We break what they build.
Back before dawn. No excuses. They dug this, all of this. It goes on forever. How do we cross? They're smarter than we thought. And ready. It's real. A trench wide deep. Impossible. Go see it yourself! It stretches farther than we can see. Too deep to climb, too wide to jump. A ditch cannot stop men.
Not men, horses too. Then we cross another way. Wake them. All of them. At first light, we will make Medina bleed.
A wall of earth? Who fights like this?
This wasn't here yesterday. We underestimated. They will stop at the trench. Numbers won't help them there. They came expecting open ground, not patience.
And if they try to cross by force?
Then they will come one by one.
That is where strength means nothing.
We stay back. Let the trench do its work. They will grow angry. Homes are not protected like this trench.
The women, the children.
We were told this would be over quickly. Maybe we should check on them.
This place holds as long as we do.
Will they come inside?
No one crosses without being seen.
This was supposed to be quick. They hide behind a ditch like farmers. Yet we stand here, waiting! We can't sit like this! We can't! Then what? Throw men into a hole? We pressure them. Every side, every night.
They're restless. Let them be.
If they come tonight, then we're already here. No one moves unless called. We are coming forward! This ditch won't stop us! Fall back! Stand your ground! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Allahu Akbar.
By the help of Allah, we have prevailed. Allahu Akbar, shukran, alhamdulillah, ya Rabbul Alameen.
It was not just a violent wind rising in the darkness of the night. This was help sent by Allah. When human strength reaches its limit, when hunger, fear, and exhaustion test the hearts of believers, Allah decides, and His decision needs no sword. A help delivered through unseen forces and through His command, turning fear into the hearts of the enemy. This battle teaches us that when faith is alive, even a small group can change the course of history. If this story touched your heart, if it renewed your faith, then share this message with others. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Your support gives us the strength to continue creating more stories that revive faith and remind hearts.
Allahu Akbar, alhamdulillah, ya Rabbul Alameen.